Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, and I'm on the Kyroitsu stand with Prashant, who's the CEO. So I guess, Prashant, my first question is, tell us about the company.
Right. So Kyroitsu Electric India, it's a Japanese subsidiary company. So we have been in India since 2008. Our main focus, the majors that we have been known in industry is for testing equipment, testing solutions offering. But over past few years, we have developed our knowledge about SMT solutions. We are offering a complete turnkey SMT solutions to the industry. So company, although it was established in 2008, but the footprints go back in 1994 when we started promoting our testing equipments from Japan in India market. So that time, some of the companies, brands, big brands in television sectors, they were the users of our testers.
Okay, so you have a long history, but what is your vision going forward?
So going forward, the vision is definitely to have my core, which is Kyroitsu is known for, to develop more and more testing solutions, complex solutions, not for just for India market, for global market as well. So we are having a big facility in Pune location where we are doing all our testers development, manufacturing of test jigs, fixtures in a house in our production facility. Other than that, we are partnered with our global partners for the distributions and service providing of that equipments. Like one of our key partners is IBL from Germany. So their WaferFest technology is very patented and world-renowned technology. But in India, this technology, people are not much aware. So our role will be to make more and more customers aware about this technology and promote their products in India.
Yeah, it's one of the things that I'm seeing when I talk to a lot of people. The Indian market is maturing very, very quickly, and it's also moving, let's say, up the scale in terms of from, what happened a lot of years ago was basic consumer production, and now we're into high-end aerospace, medical, military, and that demands not only a different level of testing, but a different level of manufacturing equipment like the vapor phase system.
Right, absolutely. I think Semicon happening together with Productronic and Electronica, it's a grand platform that global players are here. They're showcasing their equipments, their materials here. So I feel that with good initiatives by the Indian government, so we see a good progress for the India market. Even now, new players in the industry, they are entering, new startups are coming up, and they are getting good investments from investors as well as Indian governments. So these benefits are going to help them to progress further, develop India as a global hub for manufacturing for semicon and electronics equipment machines.
Yep, I completely agree with you. The future is really bright and really positive for India, and you guys are carving out a good niche in it. So I wish you every success, and thank you for sharing this with me.
Thank you, Keith. Thank you for having us.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing out.
NMtronics India is your partner in technology providing high-tech capital equipment for PCB assembly and testing through world-class equipment manufacturing companies. MINT is our state-of-the-art experience center in Noida, showcasing live SMT line performance. We take single-window responsibility for chip-to-ship for your SMT shop floor with customized Make in India automation solution. We are a team of 350-plus highly qualified and trained engineers representing 40-plus principals and spread 9 cities all across India, promising best equipment performance, quality, and service support.